हाय ऑल, दिस इज आशीष क्याल हियर एंड आज हम बात करेंगे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट की, जो कि है टाइम की। क्या आपको पता है टाइम के को देख के आप प्राइस फोरकास्ट कर सकते हैं? डू यू रियली नो दैट यू कैन डू अ प्राइस फोरकास्टिंग बाय लुकिंग एट टाइम? That's a very wonderful concept that I am talking about right now, and very limited people know about such concept. And that is what I'm going to share you in next few minutes, which is going to be an eye opener for you. So let me just very quickly share across my screen that's going to talk about how to forecast price by looking at time and how to go about it. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप मेरी स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अक्रॉस, दिस इज अ चार्ट ऑफ निफ्टी, okay, and this represents important support levels and resistance levels by looking at the overall red line. Now वो ये red line क्या है मैं आपको बताता हूँ। अभी तो मैंने बात किया टाइम की, but now I am talking about price. This red line is representing Nifty only. If you look, it's Nifty, but it is shifted to the right hand side. Okay, now that shift of price to the right hand side is basis of time. Now this is a very innovative concept which is derived by Hurst, J.M. Hurst, who was an engineer, aeronautical engineer. An amazing simple concept. ये बहुत ही सिंपल कंसेप्ट है, ये डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। इससे क्या पता चलता है? ये यूजुअली जो इंटरसेक्शन होता है उससे हमें टारगेट लेवल्स मिलते हैं। तो यहां से यहां पर जब इंटरसेक्शन हुआ, इधर से पता चलता है ये मिडवे है, इतना और हम ऊपर जाएंगे, जो कि हुआ। ठीक है, और ये सपोर्ट के तरीके भी एक्ट करता है। सो दिस आल्सो एक्ट्स एज अ सपोर्ट। सो द इंटरसेक्शन हैपेंड हियर, फ्रॉम देयर वी वेंट ऑन द अपसाइड, and then it acted as a classic support also to the prices, which we can clearly see in these cases. Again, from here to here the intersection happened, we went upward to the price this much. From here the intersection happened, we went downward to the price this much. So intersection of price with respect to time shifted price, thoda concept alag hai. I know you might be wondering what I'm talking. What I'm saying is, when prices intersect with itself in a future date, something happens. So for example, if you go to your future and see yourself in future date, and when you meet with your own self in future, something happens. Same thing here, when prices meet with its own self in a future date, something changes. And that is how you can forecast price by using the concept of time. So let's see when this meeting happens in the future. Now abhi to filhal prices are here, eventually this is going to go up, and when this meeting happens, something is going to happen from there. That is the opportunity for positional traders looking for 3-4 months kind of a trend. They can make a killing if you are able to identify these important intersection areas, because that's going to give you the most important way of trading the market. This is how price and time can combine together, and it's going to be fabulous if you know this simple concept of intersection. Okay, this is Ashish Kyal signing off. I hope you learned something very innovative and very different, and keep learning by applying this concept of time cycle, which I'm going to anyways talk about over the weekend on 9th 10th October. And for any queries or doubts, you can always get in touch with us on 9920422202. See you, and keep practicing something like this, and keep thinking about it. In fact, because you can't practice, you have to learn a lot about that. But ये बहुत ही simple concept है. Keep thinking about it, and you will be amazed to see how this can change the way you trade the market. Thank you.